Hi students, so this is Pravegaa Education and my name is Alok, and let us discuss one question from GATE 2025, and sometimes I teach this question as a topic also in the class for Microcanonical Ensemble, because you can see in this question there are two energy levels given. If you make the energy levels like this, it will be minus E and plus E, and out of n particles, n minus particles are going here and n plus particles are going here. And they have also given the total energy as capital E. So that means if I write total energy, it will become n minus minus E plus n plus plus E. And total number of particles will be obviously n plus and n minus. So if you solve these two linear equations, you will end up with n plus is equal to half capital E by E. So you just solve these two equations, putting the value of n plus like n minus here, and it will become E minus E, okay, and minus n, plus n here for n plus, and for n minus it will become n plus here and half n plus n minus E by E. So it's better if we write it in same manner. I will write here as n plus E by E and here n minus E by E, correct? Now, because it is a totally classical distribution, omega you know is n factorial pi I gi to the power ni by ni factorial. So because it is only a two level system, then omega will be given by n factorial 1 upon n plus factorial into 1 upon n minus factorial, because degeneracy is 1 in both cases. ठीक है? तो S will become KB ln omega, right? Entropy will become KB ln omega, and this I will substitute the value log of this, so that will become S is equal to KB ln n factorial minus, so if you put log of omega log A plus log B plus log C, but that will become log A minus log B, so minus log of n plus factorial and minus log of n minus factorial. So it will become like this, entropy. S is equal to KB ln omega, correct? Now I want to get, so what is my way of calculation? I will calculate omega, then I will calculate entropy, and from entropy I will calculate temperature, because you know TdS is equal to dE for constant volume. So T will become dE by ds at constant volume and number of particles. So if I calculate 1 by T, it will become del S by del E, okay? 1 by T is equal to del S by del E, right? So अब I have to take differentiation with respect to energy, and this will become, so we have to just differentiate this S with respect to E, correct? So let us now differentiate this. So first of all, S will become KB and ln of n factorial minus the value of n plus, that is, so I am applying Stirling approximation, so it will become n plus ln n plus minus n plus. So minus minus will become plus, and here minus n minus ln n minus plus n minus. So it will become like this. Alright. So now take differentiation with respect to E. So del S by del E will become KB. This will become 0 minus derivative of this will be first function derivative of second n plus and del n plus by del E and plus del n plus, so second function, first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first will become del n plus by del E. Similarly here minus n minus 1 upon n minus del n minus by del E, first function derivative of second plus, so first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first, and then this one first function derivative of second minus second function derivative of first del n by del E, and plus n plus means so this was first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first, and what about this plus del n plus by del E, like this, and similarly here plus del n minus by del E. So this is the derivative. Okay. Now del S, what is del n plus by del E? So del n plus by del E you can see from here will become, see from the above equation, del n plus by del E will become, this is capital E, कितना हो जाएगा 1 by 2E, और del n minus by del E will become minus 1 by 2E. Okay. So now substitute del S by del E will become KB, this will cancel, 1 हो गया, और minus del n plus by del E will become minus 1 by 2E and minus log of n plus del n plus by del E is 1 by 2E. And plus 1 by 2E. Similarly, यहाँ से लिखना शुरू करो, ये कैंसिल हो गया, माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 by 2E इंटू minus log of n minus minus 1 by 2E and minus 1 by 2E. So this and this cancels. So actually it will become del S by del E will become KB, and take 2E also out, log of n minus by n plus. This is the value of Kb. Now let us check the form in which we want the answer, because that is in the form of capital N. Okay. So we have to write this as 1 by t. 1 by t की वैल्यू इतनी आ गई, और जो फॉर्म है वो आप देख रहे हो कि फॉर्म इज दिस kb by 2e. So inversion, the inverse of temperature means I have to find out 1 by t is equal to kbe ln n minus upon n plus. So now write this is equal to kb by 2e ln, what is n minus e by e, by what is n plus e by e. Okay. So kb by 2e ln n minus e by e upon n plus e by e is the answer A. Okay. So this is your complete solution. Just have a look on this. And this is a nice question to practice, because many times you will find question based on this. It starts with conservation of energy, conservation of particle, then write omega, then write entropy, from entropy write temperature. Okay. Thank you so much.